Good morning, this is Juliño Alvarez presenting my project. I will talk about how my life has changed after COVID-19. I think the quarantine has changed people's lives. I have worked in Santa Anita before the quarantine. Also, I have been studying in La Molina. I have been a little sad the first weeks of the quarantine because I haven't been able to go out to the streets. Too many people have been in their houses with too much fear. Too many people have died from this virus. Also, too many people lost their jobs due to the quarantine. Also, too many children bought new computers to continue their classes from home. Also, I have had too many insecurities about my future and I have been a little bored at home. Also, I have been thinking about too many things about life, about death, about time, and about health. I wish I didn't wear the mask on the street. Also, I wish I could go to a concert because this is my passion. I wish vaccines were available to everyone. I wish my classes were face to face, and I wish everything was back to normal. It's all. Thanks a lot.